Hey everybody, Baby Little AJ here, and today I'm here with
My 2123. Ouch. I've never done that.
And today, yes, you could probably tell from the title, we are doing den tours. Now, I haven't done one probably about 4 months, I don't know. And my dens have changed since then. I don't know, I don't decorate my dens anymore. Unless I have to for the holidays, which I decorated this one. As you can tell, my decorating skills are not the same as they used to. But, yeah. And apologies in advance if my computer gets really laggy. Because our Wi-Fi is not that good right now. Okay, so here's my pet worship den. As you can tell. And there used to be trees here. I don't know what happened to them.
Oh.
There's supposed to be a masterpiece right there. Why isn't there a masterpiece right there? I'm just gonna put this one. There we go. And here's the worshipy part. And then here's the garden with the carrots. And yeah. And now on to the next den. Here's the second den. I don't really know what this den is. Oh, it's my Tumblr den. Of course, made a Tumblr girl den a few months ago, maybe a year ago, and I copied it, and I liked it. I wouldn't use these closets anymore. I forgot what the animation was, but this is the grandfather clock and all that. And then there's something out here. And then there's a fish. And then there's a couch. And then a mirror. Statue. And then there's this thing, and then the trees, and then the well. Some look outside wells. Okay, so here's my castle. Okay, so here's my castle then. Here's the outside of it. Let's fix up these plants, shall we?
You have a lot of dens.
I do. Here's the outside. And here's the inside. You might have seen this done in a few videos. Here's the downstairs. There's Maya. Who's that? There's a human here. I must see. I don't know you.
No,
So I'm just gonna. I haven't done anything with right here yet, or upstairs, except for this area right here. Yep. I still need to fix that. On to the next den. Tatalo. There is the bottom. I haven't finished these areas yet, but there is something in the bottom. Right here. I love this stuff. Yeah. This is probably my favorite part of any den. I usually copy Wolfie Cat because I like her ways of den decorating. I don't know if there's anything in the beach house, but let's see. Here is the beach house. Here's the bottom. I'm gonna get copyright!
What?
I'm gonna get copyright. Here's the bottom. Here's the medium. And then there's something upstairs. And then let us go to the thingy over there. I don't think there's anything down here. But I know there's something here. It's flowers. And then, yay! There's something here. On to the next one. Why? And you guys have probably seen this in a lot of my videos, but this is my treehouse den. There's not a lot in here, just because I probably have recycled or put some of this stuff in storage. Well, I'm surprised this part is so tight. this is still intact. But yeah, on to the next den. My old barn den, but there is something in my Soul Arcade den, and I really like this den. It's one of my favorites. And then there's that part. There's this part. And then that part down there. And then there's really nothing in this part. And then this part. On to the next den. Again, another copy from Wolficat. And then, well, this part isn't a copy, but this part is. And then there's this outside part. And then I'm pretty sure this is a copy from Wolficat. I don't think the plants are, but the she is. Next den, Cosmo Den. The water park den really didn't have anything in it. Maya went to eat food, so I'm here alone recording this video for you guys. There's really nothing here because yeah. And then here is a copy from Wolficat, I'm pretty sure. And then here's a copy from Wolficat. It's Tumblr. And then I think the upstairs is a copy from Wolficat. I think it is. Yeah, so next den. I think this den upstairs is a copy from Pero Amarillo, but the bottom part is on me. This is how I used to decorate my den with these two couches I did. Oh wait, no, this was all me. And I wonder what happened to the background. Let's see. Oh, it was a star. I'm just gonna put that there. But yeah, and then out here, see there's a lot of plants. This is always my favorite part. On to the next den. Okay, so the next 3 dens are, I'm pretty sure, my Sky Kingdom, a gingerbread house, and a snow fort. The Sky Kingdom is way too big, and I'm pretty sure it has nothing in it, because I don't like decorating that one. The gingerbread house has nothing in it, and the snow fort is my always den in the wintertime, so you've already seen it. But this one is a copy from Pero Amarillo. There's nothing here, because I put it in storage. And then there's nothing here, but in the storage. And then the background's are nothing, so I'm just going to and then here, I think is mine doing. And then right here is mine. Okay, next den. The food smells so good. This is my own design. It's very, very flowery. When in doubt, just put flowers everywhere. That's my motto. I think the front is a copy. Then here's mine, and then I did this. This is my old style. I used to use this style. And then down the slide. Why doesn't your pen slide? Anyway, on to the next den.
You know what that means?
No, with really nothing in it. Just like wall stuff and stuff. Things. Just, masterpieces, and then up here is a portal. Let's see what it leads to. It probably leads to this. Oh no, it leads to my storage account. Convenient.
What is your storage account?
The portal up there. It's my storage account. Okay, on to the next den. This is my autumn den. You probably seen it in a few thumbnails. Outside. On to the next den. I'm pretty sure this is my old style of den decorating. Yeah, I just changed the wallpaper for it. Old style. Yep, definitely my old style of decorating. On to the next den. This is my fantasy castle. Pero Amarillo style. this is like this mean parallel style, and this is neat. On to the next den. Lucky Castle. Again, a den with really nothing in it. I think there's something at the top. I'm not sure. Nope. Nothing there. Let's go down the rainbow slide. Yay! There might be something on the holy thing up here. Try not to touch the cream. Nope. This looks like a really good thumbnail spot. Take my thumbnail. Okay. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.